Hello class. Today we're doing Green P6.1. Let's take a look. Here it asks us to find the radius of the circle. Well, we know that the radius is from the center to the edge. Here we have the measurement from edge to edge. That is diameter. So D is equal to 12 inches. Well, radius is half of D, just from the center to the edge. Therefore, in this case, our radius is equal to 12 divided by 2. Our radius is equal to 6 inches. Okay? Let's move on to number 4. In number 4, it says find the circumference of the circle using 3.14 or 22/7 for pi. We know that the formula for finding the circumference is 2 pi r, or pi diameter. In this case, because we have r, which is radius, we're going to use this formula. So that means we have 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times r, in this case, is 14. Okay? So those are all of our numbers that we must multiply. So we know that 2 times 14 is 28. So 3.14 times 28. Let's multiply. 8 times 4 is 32. It's 8 plus 3 is 11. It's 8 plus 1, 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Okay? Probably should write this so I have a little more room. Okay, now 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's add. And we have 2 numbers behind the decimal point. And therefore, our circumference is equal to 87/92 inches. Okay? Move on to number 6. On number 6, we're dealing with a semicircle. We know that it is same as the circumference. In this case, since we have diameter, it's diameter times pi, and because it's half, divided by 2. So let's move forward. That would be 5 times pi, which is 3.14. And then you take all of that divided by 2. Okay? So here we are. 3.14 times 5. 5, 6, 7, and that's 15. Okay? And then divide that by 2. So 15 and 1700 divided by 2. 7, 14, 1. Bring down to 7. That would be 8, which would give me 16, and 0, and that would be 5. Okay? All right. And then lastly, it says a simple impact crater of the moon has a diameter of 15 kilometers. A complex impact crater has a radius of 30 kilometers. How much greater in circumference of the compact impact crater than the simple impact crater? So because they're comparing circumferences, we need to get the circumference of 15 kilometers and the circumference with 30 kilometers. Okay? So we know circumference is 2 pi r. In this case, they're dealing with diameter, so we're going to use diameter times pi. All right? So if that's the case, we got pi, 3.14 times 15. Add that together. 2 numbers behind the decimal point. That's when it's 15. Now we want to know when it's 30. Okay, so now we do a comparison of the two. Okay, it asks how much greater, so we take 94 20 hundredths and we subtract 47 and 10 hundredths, and we get 4710. So it is twice as much. Okay. All right. See you in the morning.